Hi, welcome to Physionic, where we learn the body from the macro to the micro. If that's something you think you'd be interested in, then consider subscribing. Today's subscriber question comes to us from Daniela. Daniela from Instagram wants to know, does consuming collagen improve our skin? So does it make it look younger, for example, which would be essentially an improvement? There are not many studies on this topic, and it's something that dermatologists have been calling to do more research on. And the studies that have been done, well, they haven't been controlled very well, and they've just been kind of poorly designed. For example, one of them showed that there was a benefit from collagen, but in mice, which isn't that much of an issue. I can deal with that because you can make some interpretations from rodent data, but they injected the collagen into the intestinal tract, so they bypass the stomach, which essentially kind of defeats the whole purpose. So in terms of injectables, we have seen that people can inject collagen into their skin, and it does seem to have an impact, but I think most people don't want to do that, and there are other problems that come with that as well. So in terms of oral ingestion of collagen, there have been a few studies that have shown that yes, collagen consumption does seem to have an impact, and has an impact in terms of leading to greater collagen synthesis in the skin. However, that does not negate all of the aging impact of skin aging in general, because you also have microstructure within the cells of your skin that need to be fixed, and that is not going to be fixed by the consumption of collagen. That's just part of the aging process. Just like with our myocytes, our muscle cells tend to get a little bit deregulated over time. They don't have quite as clean and crisp of sarcomeres as one might expect when you are younger. However, you can have some reversal benefit of consuming collagen for skin, in that it allows for greater hydration, and it also allows for the greater collagen synthesis to make more elastic skin that's going to be a little more plump, a little more, youthful in general. So the studies so far tend to lean that way, but again, we absolutely need more literature on the topic to be truly convinced that that is the case. Because a lot of the studies that have been done have been poorly done, and the ones that have been done well, there's only like one or two of them. So there aren't that many. So I'm going to reserve ultimate judgment until far more literature comes out. But for the time being, I can tentatively say that collagen consumption seems to point that yes, it has a beneficial impact on skin youthful look. All right, with that said, that's what I've got for you. I will link some of the studies down below so you can check them out yourself. And I hope that this was informative for you, and I hope that I have the pleasure of speaking with you in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Bye.